How to schedule an Instagram live. Hello guys, today I am going to tell you the process which is really easy. Open the Instagram app and then tap at the plus icon which is in the middle. And then you will see various options like post, story, reel and live. You have to click on the calendar button which says schedule on the left. And then you have to enter a video title and select a start time and then tap done. When you tap schedule live at the bottom, your video will be scheduled, and now you can schedule a live broadcast anywhere from 1 hour in advance to up to 90 days in advance to connect with your followers. And now you will see how your live video is scheduled. See, your live video is now scheduled and you can share this now or later. I chose the share later option and it would be displayed on my profile that my live video is at this date and at that time. And you can share it as a post, story or link. Try this hack now.